This is just a quick video to show the spacing of the bolt holes in the bottom of the GetFOIL Foil Incorporated, now out of business. So in case anyone wants to buy one of the leftover masts from the manufacturer in China and would like to do a DIY, I'm using just a crude ruler to measure the holes. You might be able to get them dimensions from the factory themselves. If I get those dimensions in more precise measurements, I will put those in the comments. Likewise, if anyone else does, they can add those in the comments. So here you go. All right, here I've made a pencil line on each end to try to measure the distance from the back to the front. And you can see my pencil line there, lined up with the beginning on the inches side, and then all the way, excuse me, I went too far, on this side for the pencil line. Right about there. Try to get it steady and in focus here. And now millimeters. I got it lined up there in the back. And then all the way to the front here. Looks like it's just barely shy of reaching 19.5 centimeters. So I'm not sure if it was made by inches or millimeters, because I could be a little bit off by a millimeter or two by my lines here. So hopefully this helps. I forgot to show the distance from the rearmost hole to the back end of the board. This board is a 4-foot 8-inch board, and I think it's about 65 liters if I remember correctly. And as you can see, it's a very oddly shaped board. The CyberDeck board is their first shape. Before going out of business, they made a much more rounded shape that they called the forged deck shape, as it was forged carbon fiber. Here is the inside of the battery box bay, and the battery would sit in this square area here. And my ruler does not have markings all the way to the end of it, so you'll have to take off about 3 millimeters or so. But the other end, where it reaches the ridge, is going to be, whoa, come on, focus. Just show the measurements of the battery. So the battery, we have it right at the tick there at the end of the ruler, and it is 16 inches or 40.5 centimeters. All right, for the width we have, well, blasted cat, 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. From the bottom to the point that it makes a angle on the corner here, it is about 12.5 inches.